Hello everyone, Dr. Amy Mercovich here, posture expert and chiropractor, and today I'm going to show you the 3 things you're doing wrong when you sit, and of course, how to fix it. I'll start in this chair here. First thing we're doing wrong is your butt goes in the wrong spot. So when people sit, their butt just sits in the middle of the chair. Second thing you're doing wrong is your lower back's going to the back of the chair instead of your upper back. Third thing you're doing wrong is that your head's forward and you're looking down at stuff. Down at the phone, down at the laptop, down at the keyboard, down at the screen. So what we want to do instead, so first thing is where are you putting your butt when you sit? You got to get your butt back further. So butt all the way to the back of the chair. Second thing, don't lean back with your lower back, lean back with your upper back. Now you're preserving the curve in the lower back. Third thing, get things up to your face instead of your head down to it so that you keep your good alignment up here as well. So straight back chair, butt back, lean back with the upper back, hold things up to your face. If you have something you can stick in that space in the small of the back, go for it. Little towel, rolled up t-shirt, lumbar cushion, whatever. This kind of chair. So again, just get your butt all the way back. Sit up, lean back with the upper back instead of the lower. This is even easier because the curve is right there. It's easier to stay upright. Then just make sure whatever you're doing, your monitors, your keyboards, things are in the right spot. Monitors need to be high. This kind of seat. This one's a little harder because it's easy to just sit and slouch back like this. So you got to really get back. This is kind of a deep couch. So if you're on something deep, someone like me that doesn't have real long legs, I can even just bring my feet up. And this is a great way to sit more upright. And then if I'm on a phone or a Kindle or reading a book or watching something, it's very easy to hold something up in front of my face here because I have my knees up. But otherwise, again, butt back, up tall, lean back with the upper back, and then whatever you're doing, bring it up to your face. So there you have it. You can fix how you sit.